Take off your shoes. You want to sleep outdoors and watch the stars tonight? Oh, this is perfect. Enjoy it. You're traveling and you're not comfortable with, pillows. Take your own. And this is a inflatable pillow that we have in here. It's perfect for traveling and also perfect for camping. Now we do have an outdoor event that I'm doing, and I want to be able to take a nap outdoors and set this up. So look at this. This material, the internal is mostly plastic, but the external is all material. Very soft material, right? And of course you got the release mechanism right here and the blow-in system. All right, so this inflates really quick, and if you can see the actual material what it's made of, all right, the inside, but then the outside, you can attach this to anywhere. It has a clip on. All right, so we're gonna set this up today and inflate it. I'm just gonna inflate it manually, or maybe I could use a machine too, so you could do it either way. Another great thing is that you could take this on the road with you in your car and attach it to your seat, and it actually gives you an extra better cushion. But look at this. Inflating it was an ease. 4 puffs I think I did it on, and look at this. Very comfortable. Let's put it away. You gotta hold down the button in order to make sure that all the air comes out. Then we squeeze all the air out. We get our little bag, open it up, make some room for the little burrito that you have. Squeeze it in there. You're ready for camping, outdoor activities, or traveling.